Yo, what's good? We're at Jim Butner's Trunk and Treat. Now check out these cars.
Michael, did you see your shirt?
Ooh wee. Can you say horsepower? If you can, I'll say horsepower. Oh, look at these beauties. Over here at Jim Butner's Trunk and Treat. Over here in Clarksville, Indiana. Man, you already know. What's a car without some Mopar? And that's my favorite color right there too. I think I got my favorite for the day. Look at this dude.
Oh, you can't have mine. Oh, no. I thought you wanted something there.
Got Bob Ross painting them pretty trees. Oh yeah, we out here trunk or treating. Ooh wee, this thing's beautiful. I think I might be cheating on my other one. I think I found my new favorite one. Can't let this guy hear that. Head might get a little bigger. I don't even think I got the Corvette.
Hold on, baby boy.
I didn't even get the Corvette.
Come on, no. Watch out. Around this way.
Oh yeah, Jim Butner got the classics out today. El Camino. Oh, I need me a set of headlights like that. Got us a Mustang. I think that's an '08 Mustang. That's a Ford pickup.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Man, we finally made it through the Jim Butner's trunk and treat. Now we about to go into the little haunted house section. Let's see what it is. Oh, we got this guy right here. Say hi to YouTube.
Oh my goodness.
What it do? Say hi to the tube. Yeah. Got everybody in the corners.
Look at that one. I'm gonna let one go.
And that's the conclusion for the Jim Butner trunk and treat. And we're gonna say have a good night.